Okay, so I wanted to do another quick video to share my screen with you again to show you one part of turning in your math assignments that I may not have covered in the original video. So what you're going to do is you are going to, just like you normally would, you're going to go into your child's Google Classroom and you will click on, excuse me, on the assignments. And so I'm going to look at today's because today's over. And what you will see is down here is all the assignments. Usually the reading assignment, if it's the Google slide one, will be down here. Sometimes you may see it up here in the corner, and I will show you that on the other screen. And every day, typically, you'll have a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday to complete for your math review. So then when you go into your classwork and you view your assignment, you go in, go ahead and answer your questions. Please make sure you are putting in your first and last name for us, just because Mrs. Nelson and I are sharing now and we don't want to get anything mixed up. I wanted to point out, I did see with some of the questions where you had to say how many more of something. I saw people writing like 4 more. And when you put that more in there, it does mark it as incorrect. So make sure that you are just using your numbers. I'm just gonna go in and answer these. I'm not really even looking at them, so don't worry about that. I'm gonna go here and then here. Here, and here, and I'm doing this. I hope that you found it easier today to navigate the math and the reading this way. I know that I got a lot of positive feedback from parents. Okay, so when you're done, you'll go ahead and you'll submit it, and this should come up where you'll see it says your response has been recorded. That's how you know that we have received it and we can see your work. You can also click here for view accuracy, and then you can go through and you can see if you got it or correct. It'll be in green, and then if you did not, it will be in red, and it will also tell you what the correct answer is. Once you have done that, you want to come up here and you want to X out of it so that you are back here. And then once you have done everything for the day, you've done all the maths, you've done the extra activity or whatever it was, your sight words, your math facts, your journal, you've done your reading, you've done all that. You want to make sure that at the end of the day, when you finish that day, you click this right here where it says mark is done. This is going to say you didn't attach work. It may not say that if you have reading, but regardless, you just want to go ahead and click mark is done. It's okay. The math automatically comes to us. And so if you don't click that button where you submit it or you turn it in, then it doesn't show us on our little spreadsheet that you turned it in. When we go in to the document, we can see that your child turned it in and we can see their answers and their score. But if you can make sure to try and remember to click that button, it'll make it a little bit easier for us when we're just trying to get a quick picture of who has and hasn't completed things, so we know who we want to contact to just to check in on and offer some more support. Thank you, and I hope that that was helpful. And again, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to let Mrs. Nelson or myself know. Thanks.